Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we are talking about this really famous English proverb, which says you can lead the horse to the water, but you can't make it drink the water, right? Now this has a very special significance in our relationships, be it with our spouse, be it with our kids, be it with a loved one. And how is that? For example, now the rainy season's approaching, or rather it's almost here, and a loved one might be walking out of the house and you might tell them, carry the umbrella on your way out. And the person might forget to carry it or may not intentionally carry it because the person doesn't like carrying umbrellas. Now, let's not make a big deal out of this, because I think an adult has the right to know whether or not to carry an umbrella with them, right? And this is not just about the rainy season. We give advice to our loved ones for various things because we care for them. It's well-intended advice. Winter season, it might be a sweater. Summer season, it might be, please, you're not having enough water, and it can be so many other things. So as long as it's not a life and death situation, let it go, because sometimes we are guilty of getting so sucked up into caring for others that we lose our own peace of mind, and it becomes more of an ego thing rather than a caring thing. So let the person decide for themselves, because as controversial as this may sound, nobody loves you more than they love themselves, So let them be, let them decide. Lovingly once tell them that this is what you want them to do, and then leave them to their own, Now somebody might say, no, but what if I tell my husband to take the medicine और वो दवाई टाइम पे नहीं लेता है, अब हॉस्पिटल जाएगा तो मुझे ही ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा, मुझे भी तकलीफ होगी. So I'm not talking about those things, Those are things probably to be spoken on another day. But I'm talking about general things and general advice that we give our loved ones with good intention. But at the same time, sometimes we really get sucked into it and lose our own peace of mind. So, have a balance, know when to let go. Lovingly, एक बार बता दिया, then let it be. As an adult, let people decide for themselves what they want to do, right? So try this out the next time you're trying to give advice to a loved one and see how it goes, right? See you all soon. Bye bye.